So how we can change a pack spec? So packaging specification can be changed only by creating a second version. Okay. So it will be that means that one packaging specification while I am changing it, if some inbound delivery comes, let's say I have clicked on change mode. Okay. So if system allows me to change with the so it is saying packaging specification must not be changed. Okay. So let's assume system allows me to change it by clicking on change button. These options are coming as editable, and if I'm changing something 4 to 6 or something, so you know that whenever we are changing something in the system, anything open in the change mode system blocks them, right? There will be lock for my specific to my user ID that I am blocking it because I'm changing it. Once I'll save and come out of it, it is lock is released and can be used with another process. Okay. So, but this is very sensitive thing, packaging specification for an inbound for our EWM, because let's in the warehouse we don't know when inbound deliveries will come, right? So production is happening, so it is continuously we receive the inbound deliveries, okay, or from vendor also some deliveries are coming, right? So at that time system will perform the packing automatically, right? We'll set up the automatic packing, so system will pack it automatically, or somebody is creating warehouse. If this packaging specification is relevant for warehouse order creation, warehouse task creation, okay, there also something happening in the background. Somebody else is using this backspec by unknowingly, like he's just packing in his one work center using backspec, okay, or somebody or inbound delivery came and it needs to be packed automatically in background, okay. So if I'm blocking it while changing it, I will block it, so those processes will be affected, right? So that SAP has given one method that you can create a second version until we do not activate the second version. Previous version will be active and can be used by all the previous all the processes, okay. Like if somebody is doing packing, he also will be keep using it, the old version which is active. So that's why when we create, system creates a second version. So at this moment, this is editable, but this is not the active version. Active version is not editable and still can be used in inbound deliveries everywhere. Okay, so this is inactive version. So I'm just giving one piece, at least if one product, one piece is there, system should create a pattern box. Okay, like that. I'm just changing something. I have changed it. Or anything else if you want to change with the description or anything. So now after creating second version, I can save it. I'm not activating it. Okay, you see this is the old version still active. How you can see the old version? Zero quantity, right? So in inbound delivery everywhere they are able to use this version, and this version is still inactive because it has one quantity, minimum quantity I already given, right? So now this is the correct pack spec, so I'll activate it. Once I'll activate it, this will be in green, okay, and the older version will be removed. Yes, right? The older version will be removed automatically, and this is in effect from this moment, okay, so that there will be no disruption. So let's create inbound delivery. So I'm giving any quantity, 50 pieces. Okay. Not giving multiple of 4 or like that. Created and distributed to people. So this is delivery 305. You can see there is no handling in it. Now I'm selecting the delivery, going to follow on function, warehouse task, warehouse task pack, and to pack it. So pack automatically. You will see how if you calculate how many pallets system should create here. In one pallet, how many pieces? One pallet, 8 cartons, 32 pieces, right? Then remaining 18 pieces. 18 pieces, if you divide by 4, how many cartons? 4 cartons. Then 2 pieces remaining. Right? Minimum quantity to create a carton is 1. So system should create 1 carton for 2 pieces. So total 5 cartons will be created. So 5 carton is more than 4 cartons. So should be directly system should create 2 pallet. One with the 8 cartons, one with the 5 cartons. Okay. Let's see that. So two pallet got created, one with the 8 cartons, one with the 5 cartons. And the fifth carton should have only 2 pieces. Rest have 4 pieces. Right. Our pack spec is working and packing this it's very simple now. Just have to click on one button and it is packing it. So this whatever we are looking here is really physically the things in the uh, truck. Okay. So now they have to just unload one pallet and another pallet. But delivery also would say we will find two edges. Now let me do the put away. Okay, I'm doing the put system for this also. So we have stock is moved to the inbound staging way. Do the put system for this also. Stock will be moved to inbound staging. Now select this one, first one. Go to create warehouse task. Check if system is able to create warehouse task. Yes. It is going to 8 and 9, these two things. Okay, create plus. Warehouse task is created for this 305 delay. Now let's create warehouse task for this delivery also. Yesterday's delivery. Check if system is able to create warehouse task. Yes. Go to shared. Okay. Because shared product is there. Create plus. So warehouse tasks are created. Now we need to confirm them. So I'm just copying delivery numbers. Going to warehouse monitor. So monitor you need to every time you need to use. So be thorough with this. Go to warehouse monitor. Give the monitor name. These two options are there. If you have a lot of open things, you can click on it. Everything will be closed. Go to inbound documents, inbound delivery. Give the more. So this is the multiple selection. Select. If you want to enter more than one entries, you can select it. Execute. Select all. We created warehouse task. Right? For both the deliveries warehouse tasks, we can see it here. Right? WPT, ZBTY. It is going to these bins. Set 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, like that. So you can see a carton box are going to 2 and 3, pallets are going to this thing. Because storage bin type is large bin type. Large bin type means pallet can go here. Right? We have set up already. Large bin type have HU type, PAL. Okay. So large bin type system is taking for pallets. For cartons, small bin type it is taking. See, small bin. So we have set up the strategy accordingly. I'm selecting all and confirm them. So everything is moved to its destination now. So system did not take this shutter 01 because it do not have any type. Okay, so these are the stock which is put over. So you can check product, four pieces, four pieces. Okay. Carton box, higher HU, highest HU, and HU also should be there. And, or else we can change the layout. Change the layout. See, handling when it is not included. So this is the HU, this is the highest. So for carton box, same HU is the highest HU. For anything which is in pallet, having the highest HU is pallet. Right? So 7 series cartons are getting created in ERP. 8 series cartons are getting created in ERP. So that's how we can set up the pack spec. Now remaining two products are there. Let's get pack spec for this product. Create new. Important is PS group because entire structure is inside this one. Level set came, packaging specification number came, display this. And from the level set system has taken level type and element type. Content, right click add product or click here plus add product. One piece. Sometimes some products comes as a combination of like four pieces. So you have seen some T-shirts, right? Uh, they comes in one pack. In the technical language, ratio pack or distro pack. We say it. Ratio pack means they have like six T-shirts. Having one is medium, one is small. XS S medium, then XL like six shirts are there in that, and one is having different colors having same size. Right? The pack entire pack they sells in the, so that pack is a one product. So how much quantity if you are giving per t-shirt quantities, and then it will be like six quantity per piece, right? Six quantity per pack. Right? So go to element type, target quantity for this one is six piece, right? Six piece into one carton. Minimum quantity one we can give. That you should be created. So almost same thing. Element group. That's why these are master data we can reuse. Should not just you need to click on assign. RT65 add product T1. Please. How many times we want to pack this into carton? Target quantity should be 6. Minimum quantity should be 1. So, yeah, don't use this one, click on assign. It will automatically delete it. Then give the new that element. So, in this element group, see pack, element type, the work step, and everything is there. So if you want to create for this description is coming. If you want to create, you can create new work step also. Then you need to click no element, but leave it now. So we know how to do it. It's important. Target quantity. Again, 8 cartons, minimum 4 cartons. So here this element group will be correct one, because always minimum 4 carton, maximum 8 carton. So better use of reusing the element group here, not in level type, because here description or something is different. That will not do like process wise there is not a good description. We can give product number. Yes, then at header level we have determination where this pack spec needs to be used. We want to use an inbound delivery. Zero IBD is the condition type. That's today's topic. And use this table, condition table, SAP IBD 01. And what are the criteria to determine this? If product is this one, 40162, determine pack spec 24. This I will show you today. Then, and then one more product, activate this important. Create one more PS group, T65. Level type, how much target quantity in one carton, 8 pieces. At least one. Maximum 8, minimum at least 4. See, automatically total quantity is coming. We have to use this spec and don't delete it. If product is this one, then use spec 25. Okay, so don't bother about this determination. Okay, just first concentrate on this one. This determination is some different technique. Okay, we'll set up. So I'm already using which SAP provides standard zero IP is the condition type created by SAP. Now it will solve the issue in big time. Let's create one more and one delivery DL30. Some quantity MQ. Delivery 306. So no HG. So, so first we need to pack it. Directly creating it. Go to pack. Select one line. Make it. Okay. So 40 piece means one pallet and two carton box. These are not four carton box, so there is no second pallet. 24. It is saying packaging specification 24 have no labels which says pack spec HU should be created. Okay. Let's go to pack spec. There is one option right to check the HU creation. So pack spec is 24. It is display. Go to level type. So this HU creation should be used in order to create HUs. So how we can change it? Create second version. Save and activate. Now pack it. Refresh data. First is fine. Second is also fine. Again, one pallet and two cartons. How much? Six pieces each carton, and remaining two pieces. So eight. Then 48 are in one pallet. Right? Eight into 6, 48. Remaining quantity 56 minus 48, 8 pieces. So 6 pieces in one carton, 2 pieces in another. This is better. So now check the third one. Should be one error. Right? Why it is not packing or not throwing any error? 4016. You can search with product or packaging specification only. So this is not active. It's, if it is not active, we can change it. Save, activate. Let's try now. Because whatever in buffer data is there, system keep using that. Yeah. See, uh, one pallet is created. Only one pallet. 64, right? So in each 8 is there. So 8 carton box, 64 pieces. So right? So some error comes, how you can solve that. So these are the handling unit we have received overall. With the goods receipt, storage bin will have the inbound staging bin now. Go and create warehouse task for put away, moving them into final storage bins. First one created, second one created, third one created. So it is going to buffer bin because there is no suitable storage bin found. Select one, create this. Directly we can confirm from here also. Okay. So two went to the buffer bin. Why? Because there is no big pallet area for, been found for the 61 and 63. 61 can go to the shirts. Shirt is I think completed or been submitted. And 62 went 08 is pallet 48 quantity, then these two cartons. And 63 directly went to the buffer bin. If you refresh it. So what is the maximum capacity? 8 or 16 kg something. But our pallet which has this product 63, 64 kg. So that's why there is no bin determined. That's how a buffer bin can be used. This is trouser product in one pallet. So total weight will be 8 kg, 8 kg, 64 kg. That's why the pallet amount to buffer. Okay. So now next is I also don't want to click on that pack automatically button. As soon as delivery should arrive, system should pack it as per my packaging specification. Okay, that is the we need to go to pack spec 61. So you might have noticed that after setting up this determination, only system start our packing. Before, without this, if I was clicking on that pack automatically button, system was not doing anything, no error, nothing was there. Because this packaging specification system was not able to determine. Okay. So here determination criteria is if supply chain unit is anything, okay, product is this one, and ship from is anything, then pack spec will be 22. Okay, so if we are overall if we are receiving it from different vendors, we can give the ship from different. Okay, so that from one vendor we can set up a packs for 22, other another vendor we can set up a packs for 23 because maybe he is sending 16 pieces into one carton box. Whatever agreement is with the vendor, based on that we need to create the packs for. Okay, so and ship with the this ship from we can distinguish between different vendors from where it is we are receiving. So now let's assume I want to have one more field here. So in my project, let's say they are using let's go in SQL and check which are the available fields we can use. Master data, determination of packaging specification, field catalog. Field catalog means a lot of fields will be there. Ship from is already there. Okay, based on W. Okay. If WPT is ZBTY, system should use this. The Y system should not tag them automatically. Like that also we can send it. Okay. So let's add a WPT field in our condition table. We set up a new condition. So this is a way system can determine a object into another in one process. Object is our backspec, process is our inbound delivery process. So let's hi, Gopal. How are you doing? Oh, okay. I'm sharing my screen. So we have created packaging specification and we have set up a determination, but I haven't explained the determination. So now I will explain you how system determine this spec while packing in inbound delivery. Okay. So pack spec determination, two things are there. We have one is pack spec, uh, one is pack spec. It is a master data. We have can be used for that material multiple times. Okay. And then we have inbound delivery, which we look at, right? This is the object and this is the process. This object should be used in this process. So for that purpose, we need to tell somehow system that when uh, when this delivery comes to the EWM having these attributes, then use this backspin. Okay. Like simplest example, the simplest setup I have done is if this product is there in inbound delivery, then use this backspin. Right? If product is this one, if product inbound delivery is 40161, okay, then use 20. This product is in inbound delivery, then use maximum 20. There is apart from this, there is no condition I have set up. Okay. If we can set up multiple condition also. If ship from is different or WPT is different, then use this packs like that. But how this system is, how we can set up this thing? This if else like if then use this right. This if else how we can use set up in the system. So that we call determination procedure. Okay, overall, we can say condition technique. So two names are there. We can call it. One is condition technique or determination process. So this determination or condition technique we will going to use in all the objects in AWM wherever any determination is required. Okay. any anywhere any condition is required, that if this condition occurs, then do this. Okay, wherever we need to set up these kind of things, we always create a condition type. Okay, and process is similar. Only thing is that instead of pack spec, there can be wave. That's it. Outbound wave is there. Okay. So this wave needs to be created only if outbound delivery has this attribute. Outbound delivery. Here, what happens here? Objects are different. If this object is different, process is different. Okay, but overall, how system will do? So this statement will remain same. Okay, let's say if WPT, let's say is 1020. Okay, then use wave temp, wave template. Same thing. If at WPT or if product in outbound delivery is this one, then use the template 101 and create a wave. Okay, like that. Same thing. Similar to so here we are determining wave template to create a wave. So I should give a wave template. Wave is an again our transaction data kind of thing. Wave template is a master data. Okay, so wave template should determine in to create a wave in outbound delivery. So this again determination required. Okay. So wherever printer determination is required, let's say for outbound inbound door, whenever we receive actuals, label should be printed, right? So if we receive this delivery, label should be printed. So label printing of label also depends on condition. So if you have three doors, three printers, if you are receiving at door one, system should print at door one printer. So if delivery is at door one, should print from the printer one. Like that. So everywhere wherever condition is required, we use the condition type. So one example of using this condition type, just now we have seen in the text spec where I have used zero IBD as a condition. And in that I have given condition as if product is 40161, then use pack spec 22. So, let's say my requirement is the system should ask me to enter WPT. So if product and WPT is this, if product and WPT is ZPTY, then use pack spec 22. Okay. So if this is the requirement, we need to add a new field ZPTY. So how this condition zero habit is created, we are going to create a new condition with having one more field ZPTY. So similarly, SAP has created this condition. It is with, so so by adding this new field, we'll create a new condition. Okay, zero of grading. Instead, we'll create some RT65 condition. Whatever warehouse, the RT system. It is. So, first, fundamentally understand this. First, we have a field catalog. Field catalog means uh, there is a catalog of so many fields. Okay, so whatever fields we might can use for determining a spec in anywhere in EWM. Okay, in any work center, or any inbound delivery, outbound delivery, or okay, in boss orders anywhere. So this field catalog have a lot of fields which one or two or three like that we can use. Okay, we can use all also, but those are not required as per the business need only. We'll add the fields. Then we create a table. Let's assume there is a we need to do a selection. We need to do a selection of footballs. Selection of footballs. One football is having color red. But we are selecting is that's what football is. Post selection or output. So if color is red and material is let's assume it's complex leather. Cost is 8,000 rupees. Again, one is yellow. Material is some resin or exit type of material. Cost is 3,000. Then one is white, white football. Material is and then cost is 6,000. These are three fields, right? Outcome will same. Right? So these are three fields first we have. So we have chosen three fields out of lot of variables, right? So which stitching has been used, which bladder inside a football is used, right? Or how much the pressure football can handle, right? Almost 10 psi, 15 psi. Okay. So then color, material, and cost, three variables, three field we have used to select our football. Okay. And for what purpose we will use this football? For playing. For playing football, we will use this football, whatever we will select one of them. So these out of lot of fields which we could have selected for selecting a selection of a football, right? We have selected three fields. So field catalog is nothing but this uh, finding these fields. Okay, color, material. So three such fields we will just select. Okay, and then in condition table we will create a table, empty table we can say. Nothing will be there inside it, empty table will be right? So it would be similar to field are there. So we will set that okay, color should come first, material should come first, right? That's what the table is. This table we are going to create. So if you here you cannot say material is first or color is first or cost is. We just selected three variables. Okay, then variables of field. Then these fields will set up in one after another. Okay, then we can say it is a table. Okay, and we will make it a header. So these are the headers of a table. Table is empty. So that is a condition table. Table of fields. An access sequence which so after creating table, access sequence will actually tell us which is the important field, which is the should come first, we should come later, okay, like that. So we are saying that after creating a table, we are giving it a behavior, then post. Okay. The sequence, access sequence. Okay. We can create multiple tables also. We can create multiple sequences also. Okay. So let's go for one table for now. Most of the time it will be one table. Twice condition table is given. So after that, we will set up its determination process. Okay. So let's go to the system, set up these things. So again, master data, packaging specification, determination of packaging specification, field, create field catalog. There are a lot of fields are there. Okay, in the field catalog, you can see it. Okay. So we can just out of these, we just can select one of these fields. Okay. That one product we will use, one ship from we will use, and one WPT we will use. These three fields we will use. So we have just identified our field. Okay. So here if any field which is not there, let's say some G fields are there which are created only for the particular project or customer, then we might have to add that G field because SAP provides only standard fields. Okay. Then we can add it. Go back. So once we have identified our fields, define a condition table first. Okay. So in the table we will add those fields. So condition table can create now. Which are the fields we have identified? One is material, one is WPT, one is shift. Okay. Any another also, if you want, you can add. So you can see now these fields. We have just created a table having these fields. Okay, but these will be used as a header fields in the table. Let's give a condition table name ZRT65. Give some good name. This is table, right? Condition table CT for RT65. Condition table. So this is just a condition. We have just selected our field. We'll tell system that okay, we're going to create a table for this. Why it's a condition table? Because this will be used in a condition, right? To determine something. So that's why name is condition table. Save and activate it. So don't use hyphen. Okay. By underscore. Still it is in table name is not in namespace. So it is in small nothing here. To create a condition table, give a name, change it. Select the fields. Okay, so direct click on this one, don't save it. So save it in a local object. So this is the data. So everything is fine. So our table is created with this. What is the condition table we have created? By selecting these three fields. Table of our fields. Okay, so we have selected few fields here in field catalog, identified actually identified fields. Then we have created a condition table. This one having these fields. Okay, these three fields like that. Then we'll set up a access sequence. Let's remove these things and give our actual values. So for field catalog, we have taken two fields. One is product, one is availability, and one is ship from. Application table have only these three fields right now. Then next step is to set up a access sequence. How to access sequentially? Right. So create access sequence. Change it. New entry. Access sequence. Okay. Access sequence. What should we give? P. Tags value for PS. Access sequence for PS. Select this one. Go to accesses. In that we will give our table. Okay, so if we have multiple tables we can give it one, two, three, four. First table, second table, third table. While setting up determination we can select one of those tables. And in each table we have fields, right? Then which are the fields? There are three fields. First one is material ID, second one is process ID, third will shift from. Similar way they will come in the table. Okay, now header have the sequence. Okay, in header first is material ID, second header will be process type, third header will be this. Automatically taken from our. If something is constant, you can give it a constant also. Access type. This is important. A field is fixed key part or data field. B is key field is not used for access. So field is free key part. Okay. So how to use this field? If it is a key field or it's not a key field. Important things, two things. Okay. So material ID is okay. Field is fixed key part. Okay, or data field. So these all are the data fields, right? Which will be taken from database tables like inbound delivery having this data, right? So which will be saved in inbound delivery tables. System can take it from there. Okay. So we'll make keep them blank. The priority also we can give them, which should be first evaluations. Like system first should check this one or this one or this one. Okay, like that. First evaluation this one, second system should check this one, third is this one. Priority evaluation permitted for A only because we will say that field is a key part. It's a key field. Okay, then only system will go for the priority. Key fields. So key field means you cannot keep them blank. Okay, we need to provide the data. If there is a no something is, let's say this, I'm not setting up a key field. So no regard to no in the setting of the pack spec, I haven't given these two fields, right? Because they are not key field. Okay. So if it is a key field, we have to enter them. Otherwise, we are not able to save our pack spec. So in the access sequence, you know it, right? We have given the sequence to the table header. Okay. So till here it was important which access sequence we have created. ASPS. Now next is the condition types. Okay. Condition type. What is condition type? Condition type. The condition type will be, this will be used in object which will be determined. Which object will be determined here? Tax spec, right? So condition type is used to determine that object. Okay, this will be used in object which will be determined. So the sequence we will give in the condition type, and condition type will encapsulate all the sequence in condition table, and can be used in the tax spec. Let's go this. Our condition type is, we are selecting zero IVD, right? Earlier, right? So now we will create our own condition type. I'm copying this one. Condition type CT 65. Condition type for 65. Okay. Inbound delivery pack spec in IVD. Access sequence. So this condition type should have a access sequence. ASYS, ASPS. So now valid from, I'm saying that always it valid from, no, it's valid to, it's fine. Valid till infinite. Okay. And valid from first day of first day of current year. Okay. Always it will say that it will be 1st of January of that year. For till this one. Okay. Valid from and to. So whenever we have created this spec, automatically valid come and to is coming, right? 1/1/2003 till here. Okay. These things coming automatically from condition type. Okay. So this type of condition we have created now. So T65. Where we will use this, the object. Define determination procedure. Now this is the determination procedure now. So we need to create a determination procedure here, which will be used for each object, right? So determination procedure is something which we have two objects, right? Which are two objects here? One is pack spec and one is inbound delivery, right? What is that? One is pack spec and one is inbound delivery. This is the object and this is the process, right? So in order to enable any object for any process, we need to set up a procedure, determination procedure for. So condition type we have created, this will be used in pack spec. Procedure will be used in inbound delivery. Okay, and procedure will encapsulate this condition type in it. Okay, so in the determination procedure, we will having the condition type. Okay, which will be which whenever we will set up this determination procedure in inbound delivery, system will be use this condition type always. Okay, so let's create our own. We can change it. Copy this one. What procedure we want to use? RT65 inbound delivery tag. Okay, these two I'll let remove. So select this procedure element of determination. Important is a condition type. And what will the condition type? CT 65. So this is the procedure we can use in the expand in the delivery. So it's one. What is this one? Counter. Okay, counter. So we can give one. So next is create condition maintenance group. So this step will now create these conditions, condition tables, and everywhere in all the places wherever it is required in the code. Okay, so database table needs to be created, right, with our condition type, with our condition table having those headers, right. So everything will be created under this condition maintenance group. Execute this one. So we should not. This is the pack. It should be the condition maintenance group for packaging specification. Just add our data also here. So 18 are there total. You will be find your inbound delivery also here. Zero and inbound delivery. This one. This we should not change. Always. What will be the next one? 19. Application is pack, right? Because we will use in the packaging. Okay. So uses is PS packaging specification, which is the condition table we have created. Condition table. So you see here generating work structure, tables, everything it will now set up. Okay. So these many places system has to update the code once we have created table. Okay. So I will all are there. We also have added our condition table here. Right? This is saved. Now let's go and create a second version of this spec and see if our tables and everything are coming in. So I'm deleting this one earlier one. So our conditions are coming here or not. Let's see that. CT65. Our fields are not complete. Log out, log in again. Right now it is working fine. Okay. So we log out, log in, system will give us the data. You can see process type came right, and supply chain unit we have not selected. So this is field is for zero every day. So I'm entering product 40161. Okay. So now you can see here for condition type CT65 this product process type I'm selecting ZPTY. So why this is in error, right? I could save when I used zero IPT, right, with only product. Why it is because we have two key fields. We cannot keep them empty if anything is key field. Process type is key field. If you click on error, so it is saying ship from is initial, but it's a non-optional key in access sequence. Okay, so non-optional means it's a mandatory field. Ship from. So what is the ship from in our inbound delivery? So if multiple ship froms are there for same product, it is very useful. Check the partner. Ship from is this one. See error gone. Process type is not mandatory. Only two fields we have made mandatory and given the sequence also that this should be priority. That this should check first product, then ship to party, then process type. Okay. ZBTY I can give process type. If these three things will be met, then only system will use this spec. Save it. And activate this. So now this is one thing. Condition type we have used where in pack spec. But about the process inbound delivery, how system will come to know that this pack spec should be used in the inbound delivery, not in outbound delivery, not in any another process, right? Based on the determination procedure we need to give it at inbound delivery. What is inbound delivery? Document type level we need to give the procedure which we have given for standard last time. Standard was 0 IBD. Okay, go to SCWM, process inbound delivery. Define document types for inbound delivery process. The document type level we will tell system that use this process for packing inbound delivery. Okay. Inbound delivery PTI display. So here 0 IBD is given. Packaging, okay, material proposal procedure. Okay. So this is the procedure which will be used system. System will use to pack any inbound delivery of document type this way. So what should we use now? Where is our RT64? Okay. So if we give it here packaging material procedure here, then only system will determine our condition type in the inbound delivery process. PRD execute, everything completed, create new delivery. BL31 and 20 piece, 40 piece, 8 piece. So here at the document type level, we have one option here, no automatic packing. Okay. So no automatic packing means we have to click on that button when we go here pack. Okay, for this product only we have set up, right? Others we have not set it up. The condition. Okay. So if I click on the pack button, it's not taking it. Why it is not taking this? The problem is if something doesn't come, then it won't give us the error also. Spec. This is fine. Let's go to SPRO and check once. Check the determination once. So I remove this. Maybe some field will come to know which field is giving problem. CT65. Okay. But this from I think. Okay, so it is changed now. Okay, so it is creating one pallet. Right? So now we need to click on this button. Right now, I don't want to click on this button. Okay. So how we can achieve that? There is no automatic packing option is there at document type level. At the document type, if you click on this button and save it, okay. So system will pack them automatically. No need to click on that button also. Okay, so fully automatic. Let's create one more delivery. Since we have this condition types added for only one product, so I'll remove others. So I'm giving some 60 pieces and not saving, like not creating any HU manually. 307 is delivery. Execute. 307 is delivery. So if you click on HU, you see automatically a palette is created, right? No need to go there and click on button also. Okay, that's how fully automatic you can use pack spec for fully automatic packing. If you go inside this one, you will having 8 HUs. And if you go inside this one, some carton boxes will be there. 7, I think. Last one having 4, okay, or having 4 pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then we can click on goods receipt to do the goods receipt. They will be available in inbound staging bay. Then we can go function create warehouse task. To buffer, no pin found suitable. Create plus save. Confirm, confirm the warehouse tasks. Okay. So that's how automatic packing. So we first we create a packaging specification. Then we have used them manual packing, right? So after that, first we have set up all the packaging materials, handling unit type. Right? Then we have pack manually in inbound delivery by creating each HU and moving the product inside that. Then we have created a packaging specification, uh, and then system has packed them by clicking on one button, pack automatically. Right? System is creating all the HUs based on our master data packaging specification. Then we have set up a condition technique so that system can determine based on our criteria, that is WBT, ship from party and material. Okay, so new table created. How SAP has created zero IBD, we have created a CT65. Okay, so that you know if you have to use any custom field or any new field in the condition, we can add in the new condition table, and rest of the process we can follow. Okay, and then we have set up the condition table in the patch spec, right? Then the which procedure we have created for packaging specification, that was RT65. That procedure needs to be maintained in delivery object, so that in this delivery system can use that procedure. Yeah, that's all. And then we have removed the we have told system that we need automatic packing. Okay, at involved delivery document type this. So no automatic packing checkbox disabled, and after that system is as in when delivery is received in AWM, it is packed automatically. Okay. So packaging specification is completed.